Yesterday's data from the American Petroleum Institute showed that U.S. crude oil inventories fell by 6.8 million barrels last week, against the forecast for an increase of 0.5 million barrels. Such a sharp drop in the stockpiles in such a short span of time was followed by an immediate rise in oil prices. And in this regard, today's data from the U.S. Energy Department is of particular importance to market participants. If the agency confirms a drawdown in the U.S. crude oil and gasoline inventories, Brent crude will have a chance of rising above $78 per barrel. However, analysts still anticipate an increase of 0.8 million barrels. If the figures meet forecasts, oil prices may return to the area of $75 per barrel. Meanwhile, gold remains relatively stable. The yellow metal is still trading in the range of $1,960 and $1,980 per ounce. Given that there is an inverse relationship between gold and the dollar, much will depend on the latter. The greenback is extremely overbought, so a correction in the currency market is increasingly likely. Thus, gold still has a chance of advancing at least to $2,000 per ounce. The volume of long positions is expected to increase after the price consolidates above the $1,990 mark. Until then, a return to the recent support level cannot be excluded. The dollar-ruble pair is a striking pattern of stability. Yesterday, the asset was standing still with almost no minor fluctuations. Such behavior is a rare and far from a common pattern, as it's impossible to achieve a state of a perfect equilibrium in the market. Moreover, closer to zero volatility is usually a prelude to a burst of trading activity, so the market may come alive today. At the same time, there are no preconditions for a sharp rise or drop in the Russian currency. Therefore, the greenback will most likely remain at around 80 rubles. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you in our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.